Hey everyone, it's me Princess and welcome back to my channel. Another rest day, another gala serye. Today may na-discover ako na Japanese-inspired food park here at Pasay City. Very Japan vibes ang atake ng place na to. And sobrang dami ng food choices na pagpipilian nyo dito. Hindi lang Japanese food, merong Chinese food, Taiwanese food, at marami pang iba. Sobrang accommodating ng mga staff and sobrang friendly. Kaya naman, hindi na natin to patatagalin, puntahan na natin siya. Nung nakita ko nga tong place na to, hindi ko na talaga mapigilan na kahit na masama ang panahon, talagang pumunta talaga ako dito sa lugar na to. Dahil bukod sa sobrang ganda ng lugar, very curious din ako sa mga food na ino-offer nila dito and what activities that you can actually do here. So, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan ang exact location, just keep on watching until the end. So now we are here at Gala Food Park. This is located at Pasay City. And it is near at SM MOA or SM Mall of Asia here at Pasay City. Sa labas pa lang ng Gala Food Park, mafe-feel mo na
Hello
yung Japan
eaters!
vibes.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen TV. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen TV.
Bago nga tayong mag-umpisang gumala, inikot ko muna yung place dito and meron nga ako nakita ditong ATM machine. So kung need nyo mag-withdraw, malapit lang naman siya and hindi naman siya ganun kalayo. Then meron ding mga food chain nearby na pwede kayong kumain.
Guys, pupunta tayo sa Gala Food Park today. So, nakita ko lang to guys sa Facebook while nag-i-scroll ako. Alam niyo naman guys, actually nasabi ko na rin naman sa inyo to. One of my bucket list is pumunta ng Korea and Japan. Dahil nga hindi pa natin afford mag-travel sa ibang bansa. So, let's appreciate first the beauty of the Philippines like what I'm always telling you guys. So, ayun, pupunta tayo ng Gala Food Park. So, another rest day, another gala serye. So, for the go. Malapit lang siya sa may Hongji Gardens. Hongji Gardens. So, ayun guys, kung hindi nyo naman trip yung mga Japanese food, meron namang mga malapit na shops here. Merong convenience store, merong pizza, anything. So, marami din silang food choices around. So, kagaya niya may Walter Mart naman. So, mostly ng pagkain na sinaserve nila, of course, Japanese food. So, mamaya, magpo-food trip din tayo, syempre. Alam niyo naman ako, guys, na sobrang love ko ang Japanese food. So, syempre, lubos-lubosin na natin ang paggala natin for today. So, itutour ko kayo, Japanese-inspired place. Then, meron silang mga Japanese food na ino-offer. And guys, mamaya, magre-rent naman tayo ng suit, like kimono. I think kimono ang tawag doon guys. Like a Japanese suit. Para naman perfect for picture taking mamaya. So, hindi na natin kailangan lumayo pa. Kasi meron naman sa Pilipinas. Hindi na natin kailangan lumayo guys. Kasi kayang-kaya na natin gawin yung mga IG, perfect for IG picture na photos here in the Philippines. So, go. If you guys wondering what is their opening time, eto na guys. Eto na. So, 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. for weekends. Then, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. naman for weekdays. So, this is the Hongji Gardens. So, malapit lang naman siya dito sa, sa Gala Food Park. And guys, nandito tayo sa Gala Food Park. This is not Japan, but this is only in Pasay City. So this is guys just located near at Mall of Asia. So ayun guys, samahan niyo ako, gagala tayo.
So before anything else, bibigyan ko muna kayo ng pangmalakasan na montage sa place natin ngayon. Welcome to Gala Food Park. So pagpasok nyo, bubungad sa inyo ang Emma's Wall of Wishes. Sa kabilang side naman, pwede kayong mag-rent ng yukata or kimono. You can avail this only for 100 pesos and you need to surrender a government ID.
So, yun guys.
And if meron naman kayong bibilin sa loob or kakain kayo sa loob ng mall, pwede kayong makarent ng free kimono. And good thing guys, pwede nyo tong hiramin, wala naman siyang time limit as long as na ibabalik nyo lang siya ng maayos. And para ma-avail nyo yung free rental, kailangan nyo namang magbigay ng resibo ng food. Wala naman siyang minimum purchase, so pwede nyo siyang ma-avail ng free while gumagala kayo sa loob. Dito pa lang sa activity na to, sobrang worth it na yung pagpunta mo. Biro mo, pwede ka nang mag-picture ng free and makakapagsuot ka pa ng kimono para naman feel natin ang Japan vibes para ka na talagang nag-travel sa ibang bansa.
Let's go upstairs. We are now here at Gala Food Park.
So, pag-akyat nyo nga, ito na yung Gala Food Park. And sa kabilang side, meron ditong mga nagbebenta ng antique na tea cup. So, if ever na interesado kayo sa mga gantong klaseng gamit, like antique tea cup, pwede nyo siyang bilhin dito. And yung price ranges, nagre-range siya sa 3,000 pesos. Set naman na yun guys. Pwede rin naman kayo bumili ng individual and I think mas mababa yung price niya. So, good thing, hindi nyo na kailangan travel papuntang Japan para lang makabili ng mga gantong antique na gamit. And I'm sure na meron talagang mga tao na interesado sa mga gantong bagay. Talagang nagta-travel pa sila papuntang ibang bansa para kumuha ng mga antique para sa collection nila. Ito naman yung Daishu. We all know that Japan is very famous in representing panda as recreational zoo. So this is the dining area and entertainment area here at Gala Food Park. Sa bungad pa lang, marami ka nang makikita na food. Merong sushi, takoyaki, convenience store, coffee shop, mga egg tart. Actually, hindi lang Japanese food ang meron dito. Meron din mga Chinese food, Taiwanese food. Kaya naman, sobrang dami ng choices dito. And guys, meron din pala ditong mga hot pot, shabu-shabu, and meron din dito mga big restaurants na nasa loob mismo na nag-o-offer ng mga fresh noodles, pasta na handmade. Meron din silang in-offer dito na mga fresh seafood kasi alam naman natin na sa Japan, very famous sa kanila yung mga seafood nila kasi it's so fresh and high quality. Kaya nga sumikat sila sa kanilang mga sushi.
Japan? No. This is only in food park here at Pasay City. This is located here at Mall of Asia.
So, when it comes to dining area naman, Yung itsura ng kanilang dining area is very traditional. And good thing guys na kahit saang store kayo bumili, pwede kayong kumain kahit saan. And meron silang mga iba't ibang design ng dining area nila, which is very good. Then meron din ditong ibang activity na pwede nyong gawin dito. Like this one is called goldfish scooping. 50 pesos lang to guys. Pwede kayong bumili ng goldfish dito. Then pwede kayong pumili. Mag-i-scoop lang kayo dyan. And this is just only 50 pesos per fish.
Do you know how to take care of them?
Then sa kabilang side naman, meron dito mga anime figures from your favorite anime. If you're anime lover, or we can call it otaku. Pwede kayong bumili dito ng mga figurine and mga teddy bears na inspired sa mga anime movies. Then guys, yung mga staff dito very friendly, very accommodating. And makikita mo rin na mga staff nila dito is nakatayo dun sa mga sulok ng kanilang mga stores, which is representing Japanese culture, which is yun din yung mga nagustuhan ko sa culture ng Japan. They are very hardworking, generous, and they are so friendly. And of course, they appreciate little things. And kung naghahanap naman kayo ng other options sa Japanese food, this is a stall called Mangetsu. They are offering homemade soba, yaki udon, freshly cooked tempura, which is yun yung gusto ko namang i-try in case na bumalik ako dito. And guys, isa sa favorite spot ko dito is yung comfort room nila. Very traditional and very Japan vibes. Sobrang cute na cute ako dito guys.
So, ayan guys, pagpasok nyo naman sa comfort room, ito yung itsura ng comfort room nila. Yung itsura ng comfort room nila. So, lakas ng pasyala ng comfort room. Very traditional. So, ayan.
At kung napagod nga kayo sa paggagala, so kumain muna tayo. And ito yung marirecommend ko din sa inyo na itry nyo yung sushi nila. So umorder lang ako dito ng California sushi.
This is Maki Sushi.
So ang binibenta naman nila dito is sushi, egg tart, and sausage. So, for sushi, 180 pesos, any flavor. And for tart, 150 pesos for 2.
Hindi naman po.
And for takoyaki, 150 pesos as well.
Princess Kitchen PH.
So, ito nga yung California Maki na in-order ko.
So guys, let's try the Maki Sushi. This is how it looks like. This is a California Maki. Kain tayo. Tadaikimasu.
Puto bomber.
All tea.
How do you use this? What's this? My goodness. Ay, ako. Don't make fun of me. I don't know how to use this. Yes, I got it.
Eat it, eat it. Don't cut it. It will ano.
Sarap.
Say it. Oishi.
It doesn't taste like the one outside.
Hmm. High quality, right?
Good. Wow. What is sarap?
Do you already feel in Japan?
I'm in Japan already.
Very generous sa feeling. Hindi tinipid. And talagang malalaman mo na high quality yung sushi nila.
And it's good, guys. It's really good. So good. It's good.
Sarap.
Meron punch, right? From the ano.
Wasabi.
Oh, it's have a very hard punch.
So guys, must try. If you want to visit here, must try yung sushi, guys. High quality sushi.
Yeah, high quality sushi. So, it's going to be should I don't keep it? Alam mo, if you use too much of this one, maybe you will you can eat it because it has a very hard punch to it,
From
like
the wasabi.
a kick, you know.
And you love spicy food, right? Do you like it?
Yeah, it blends in with the sushi, with the rice and everything, makes it feel good. It's really good.
No, it's my first time to eat with salmon raw. Haven't tried this before.
You don't dip it. It's good, right?
Mm-hmm. So good.
Really good.
So what food we're going to eat next?
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
Fried rice. Or
Where?
maybe noodles, spicy noodles, gonna
Ramen.
ramen noodles, spicy, gonna
Let's check.
the menu.
Meron Chinese restaurant around here. Yeah, it's a Hong Kong style. Maybe they have spicy noodles
Yeah, you
or
can check
just
it out.
ramen.
Yeah.
So guys, mag-check muna kami ng other restaurants here. Kapag may nagustuhan kami, kakain pa kami ulit. We're so hungry. Let's go, guys.
Ang sunod naman na tinry namin itong Chin Long beef noodles. This is Taiwanese food. I just forgot how much it cost, but around 350 per serving.
Hi guys, so we're going to try King Long beef noodles here at Food Park Pasay.
This is the place looks like. Yung food nga nila dito is made to order. So, pag order kayo, maghihintay lang kayo ng konti kasi ipiprepare pa nila yung food nyo. And guys, yung beef noodles nila is sobrang laki ng servings. This is probably good for 2 person. It's good for sharing, guys. So, pag sinerve nila sa inyo, ganito yung itsura ng kanilang beef noodles. And their beef noodles is also better when it's spicy. Pwede kayong mag-request sa counter ng chili sauce.
So, hi guys, we're going to try King Long beef noodles here at Gala Food Park. So, try natin. Tingnan nyo naman guys yung servings nila. Ang laki ng bolo. So, here's our order. This is their famous noodle bowl. So, here's what bowl noodles nila. Sobrang laki ng servings, guys. Kain tayo.
The melon egg also. Yo. This is what chopsticks.
Here's their noodles.
Wow.
Itadakimasu. Why you have to put it in your bowl?
Oh, I don't have to put it inside.
No,
Wow, let me
it's
just
going
try
to be hard for you.
it. So, how do you eat this? I'm new to this, huh?
Sige, sige. Use your chopstick.
This for chopstick. Diba? You have to teach me how to use it. I don't know how to use it. What if I go like that?
No. My God, Nana. Why you have to...
I don't know how to do this.
Just eat some of the noodles, ganon. This will be served as so no mess, ganon.
Oh,
See what you're doing?
yes.
Ano? Oy!
So like that? Oh, is it the army? It's okay, right? So like that?
Let's put chili sauce. Ito yung chili sauce, guys. It's better when it's spicy. So let's put some.
Wow.
I think this is Chinese food.
Ching long.
Chinglong. Wow.
This is the meat. It's so chunky. Let's try.
It's better when it's spicy. The meat is so tender and the broth is so flavorful.
Yeah, it's good. This is Japan.
Let's try their meat. Sobrang lambot ng meat, guys.
Like the broth.
This is so comforting food.
This is good.
Let's try the bok choy. You're still okay? Are you with us?
Yeah. Still here.
So good, guys. So good. Sampay. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's good.
Struggle is real.
Real struggle with Japanese culture.
Eat more.
It's good.
My nose. Diba? We asked for spicy food.
Yeah. Good.
Overall, nagustuhan naman namin yung food. Then, next stop namin, syempre, dessert. So, I just got a Macau egg tart.
Kitchen tea.
I also highly recommend to try this tart. It's so good, guys.
So for dessert, we have Macau egg tart. So let's try this one.
This could be good for dessert. It's a mixed flavor. That is strawberry and vanilla.
Ano, strawberry and vanilla?
Chocolate and vanilla. I'm so bobo. Try.
Let's try our Macau egg tart. It looks like creme brulee.
This is my first time trying this. How does it taste like?
The pastry is so it's a puff pastry with custard.
Does it have eggs in that? Like a poached egg or something?
Custard is made with eggs.
Oh, I don't know. You are the one educating me. So okay, this is my first try. Mm.
It's so flaky, soft in the inside,
Yeah.
a little bit sweet, and the custard is so dense. So good, guys.
You have to try this.
It's still warm when they serve it to you.
Wow. That is why you don't have to hesitate and try new things. This is good. I think I'll
What? So good. This is only 150 for two. It's a good dessert, guys. The puff pastry is so flaky and buttery. Then it's soft inside. The custard is so dense, a little bit sweet. It's good. It's so good, guys. How about your ice cream?
Yeah. And it comes in this tray. Like
Ano?
yeah, this is good. So ice cream. So heavy. Right. It's rich. Black. Very rich.
I like the chocolate better.
You know, this is just like you and I.
You're the one who say that.
Yeah. Literally.
What?
Literally.
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 Ay!
That's what you get. You're so rude.
Sige, just take the spoon. I'll take the food.
Yung tart nila sobrang flaky, then sobrang rich nung feeling. Hindi siya ganun katamis in my taste buds. It's super good dessert, guys, and you should try this. And yung sushi nila, highly recommended din yun sa akin. And hopefully, someday, matry ko naman yung udon and soba na nasa kabilang store. So, pauwi na kami neto, guys. Then, nakita namin tong way na to. So, syempre, in-explore pa rin namin kung anong meron dito sa loob. Medyo maingay lang yung audio dito sa video na to. Pero, this is a parking area. So, kung meron kayong mga dalang sasakyan, may mga dala kayong motor, pwede kayong mag-park dito and magbayad lang kayo ng fee. Sobrang lawak ng kanilang parking space. And guys, kung meron kayong mga kasamang senior citizen or mga bata, don't worry, may elevator naman dito. And meron din namang escalator. And don't worry guys, hindi naman ganun kalayo yung lalakarin nyo. Hindi kayo mapapagod. Then dito naman sa kabilang side, this is just a comfort room. Ayan. So guys, this will be the end of our video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please hit the notification below for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next vlog. Bye!
Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen PH. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye!